Welcome to my channel. I am Tish. I am a wife, mom, leader over 40, navigating life, career, and purpose. Here on my channel, I share that via vlogs. Sometimes we sit down, we'll talk. I love to share outfits of the day, only to encourage you to get up and get dressed and be prepared for anything that comes your way. And friend, I am currently on a challenge of creating and uploading 100 videos to YouTube in 100 days. Started January 1, so we are well into this thing, and I'm so glad that you tuned into this video. So stay tuned. Yes, so starting off in the vehicle. My good friend, she defended her dissertation today, and we want to celebrate. And I mean, I'm a creative person. We were gonna order flowers, but I think we waited too late. It doesn't matter. When I heard flowers, I'm like, you know what? I am in the area to pick up some flowers, and I went to Trader Joe's, grabbed some floral that they had. I'm gonna go home and arrange those, and I'm gonna bring you along for that journey. I love to do things like this, and I have a little bit of time today, and I figured that I would bring you along with me as we build a flower arrangement for a new doctor. I also went to Hobby Lobby to pick up some bags for my needlepoint project, and they already have their class of 2026 items rolling out. So I picked up these glitter paper picks. They come in a pack of 10. I won't need them, but I thought that would be cute to let her see that she's class of 2026, and I'll use some of these to put in the arrangement. I'm just hoping that I have a vase left over at home, or not left over, but I had an extra vase at home. If I need anything else, it would just be to pick up a vase. But I think we're good. So let's get ready to go home and make an arrangement. I think the flowers turned out cute. It is now time for me to head on over to the celebration, and we're going to gift this. This is from a friend group. We're going to gift them, I believe, for what was available at Trader Joe's. They didn't have normally as much as what they typically do, but they had enough for me to put this pretty girl together. And the pics with the class of 2026 just did it, and it's so appropriate for what we're celebrating today. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like this video, and tell me where you're watching from down in the comment area. All right, I look forward to talking to you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.